Let's go on an adventure and see some amazing snakes. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, it's the cobra with its big hood. Watch out. It's ready to defend itself. Here's a viper. Vipers have long fangs and can strike very fast. Wow, this is a python. It squeezes its food tight with a big, strong hug. Meet the anaconda. It's one of the biggest and heaviest snakes in the world. Look out! The black mamba is super fast and very smart too. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.